Alright guys, so hopping right into a listing right here. This is basically kind of a go-to as of late, right? Creatine, because it's a very popular sports nutrition supplement. Just taking a look at their current promotional strategy and kind of like what they're doing right and maybe what they're doing wrong. Are they even doing anything right at all? That's the question, right? So basically the first thing that I see here is actually looking at the coupon right here, and what it says is that essentially they're going to give you 5% off when you apply that coupon. Now, when's the last time you jumped out of bed for 5% off, right? Like, you're not like sitting there and just thinking, oh man, like just kind of waiting, for that product to go 5% off, right? So number one, I think that the amount of the coupon is kind of a joke in my opinion. I get it, right? There's definitely margin that you have to consider